Wow, I can see everybody's quite excited to start tomorrow. So let's see how we get ready with this, with Microsoft Office 365. So I'm going to minimize myself here, and we open any browser. You can open Google Chrome, you can open Firefox, and you type in the address bar there, search bar, Office 365. And probably the first option here will be Office 365 login. You click there to log in. I already logged, so I am here. My name is there, my picture and everything. But usually what's going to happen, you are going to have a sign-in box. You click on the sign-in box. You put your school email and the same password that you use to open your school email. Simple like that. No worries at all. So then you are going to have all the apps that Microsoft has to offer. Outlook for your emails, OneDrive, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, SharePoint, and Teams that we are going to be using in our workshops. So you click on Teams. Sometimes it will ask you to log again. Sometimes it doesn't. I don't know exactly why. Maybe because I use it for IB too, so sometimes it will ask me to log again. So I use my IB account or my Sultan School account. So maybe this is the reason. But here it's going straight. Here says join or create a team. So here they are asking me to join this year 8 science. I'm not going to do this because I don't belong. I by mistake accept this to English department. This is secondary, it's not primary. And I tried to get out and I couldn't get out yet. But I'm learning as well. This is new to everybody. Yeah. So here is the screencasting with Aden and Eli that is scheduled for Wednesday. So if I go here on the sidebar on the left, I have activity, chat, teams, assignments, and calendar. So when it loads, everything that you confirmed your presence is going to show. So we're going to have a meeting with Darren tomorrow at 9 and then again at 11 o'clock. Yeah, so we have here the, oops. This is like if I wanted to create another one. We'll close. All right, so you have here your calendar. So, and here you have your teams, but more details will be given in a workshop, so I don't need to give you more details. If you want to do if you want to open SharePoint, you're going to do the same. Click here on SharePoint. Probably they are not going to ask you to put your email and your password again because it is already going to be there. And sometimes they ask you for an option between if you want to download the app to your computer or to open in your web browser. For Outlook last year, Alpesh suggested us opening in our web browser to keep it on the web instead of downloading the app. So that's what I do, and I did the same for Teams and SharePoint. Unless we receive different instructions, that's how I'm going to do. But we might get different structures, but it's not anything complicated. If you need to download the app to our computers, it's simple as well. So I hope this helps you. Let me take a quick look here, SharePoint, to see if there is anything that yes, I believe that this is going to, like, because now we're going to have secondary and primary, so I saw primary, so it's going to show us, because we are not going to use staff share anymore. This is how it's going to be, all our files. So it's basically the same of, at least this is what I took a look. I think maybe I'm speaking too much. Let me stop here, because these are going to be the topic for the sessions tomorrow. All right, everyone. See you all tomorrow. I hope you are all well, and your families as well. And masalama.